Hi, hello, namaste, adab. Welcome and welcome back to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are at Gachibowli Paradise project. This is situated at Kyasaram village near Nandigama, and this is very near to Outer Ring Road and Gachibowli Financial District. Very good place for the investment. Let's check the project highlights. So this is a village that you are seeing nearby. It's already developed village, and this is a road that connects to the project. Let's check the project highlights now. This is a HMDA proposed layout. We have 200 square yards plot size and above in this project, and they are providing 40 feet and 30 feet blacktop roads with the clear title project. Very good place for the investment. 40 feet and 30 feet blacktop roads that are provided, and the water tanker that will be provided for the community people, and underground drainage system that is under construction, and with electricity and street lights that are provided, and the security also for the community people that will be provided. They also have internal parks for kids. Let's get inside and check the project. So these are the plots that we have. So that starts from 200 square yards onwards. Per square yard 20,000 is the price of each square yard. Now let's check the location highlights. This is a very high growth potential area. It is very near to Outer Ring Road and Gachibowli Financial District, so it will grow immediately, surrounded by premium existing and residential plots and areas. Pollution free area. So you can see the picture, overall picture of the project and the roads that are connected. So good appreciation for your money in the short period. So very good place for the investment. These are the plots that we are seeing. These are the internal roads, blacktop roads. Electricity is already provided over here. Street lights and electricity connections are already provided. Underground drainage system is completed for previous project, and now for this project it's in progress. This is a HMDA proposed layout with avenue plantation with tree guards that will be provided, and compound wall with entrance arch, underground electricity with street lights, park and 24-hour security. Overhead water tank with pipelines will be provided to the community people. So there are plot sizes starting from 200 square yards onwards, and each plot size per square yard is 20,000. Please leave a comment or let us know if you need more details about this project. In the comment section, you can drop a comment. Please contact on our numbers that are provided in the description box and below. These are the plots. Even the avenue plantation work has been started. You can see the developments that are happening in the previous project. That's a nearby village that we are seeing. Please call us on the numbers if you need more details about this project. That's a overhead water tank. This is a high demand area these days because it's near to Outer Ring Road and the financial district. So very good place for the investment, and within no time it will be developed, and even this will become a very good place, residential place. There's a main road that we are seeing nearby, which is just beside the layout. Please call us on the numbers that are provided if you need more details, or leave a comment. We will get back to you. You can see the work that is happening. This is the entire project. The project name is Gachibowli Paradise. You can contact us for more details of this project. As I mentioned earlier, It is surrounded by premium existing and upcoming residential projects, pollution-free area, near to 8-lane outer ring road, proximity to Gachibowli Financial District and other parts of the city, near to BDL, ODF, railway terminal and railway hub. Very high growth potential area. So very good place for investment. Also, please let us know if you need more details about any other projects. We will provide those details. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Telangana Properties Hub. Thank you.